All right, that was my fully cooked Marie Callender's Dutch apple pie. I'm gonna come in with a little bit of caramel and we're gonna drizzle this right on top of our apple pie, because what is better than apple pie and caramel? Oh my goodness, this is gonna be such an easy, sweet treat, perfect for the holidays. All right, that looks beautiful. Now we're gonna place this to the side and bring in a bowl and a whisk. And I have here my cheesecake instant pudding, and this is the 3.4 ounce box. You can use whatever kind of pudding you like. I just think cheesecake goes so beautifully with that apple pie flavor. Now we're following the box instructions and we're gonna add 2 cups of cold milk right into our bowl with our cheesecake. I'm using whole milk, but you can use whatever milk you like. Everything I'm doing can be adjusted to your liking. You can even use a different pie flavor, whatever pie you like, a pecan pie. You could do a cherry pie, a mixed berry pie, but personally apple pie is my favorite, so I had to choose that, especially that one with the crumble on top. All right, and we're just whisking this together until it is thickened up. All right, this is all thick now, so we're gonna come in with our Cool Whip, and I'm using the extra creamy. I love the extra creamy. You gotta make sure that this is thawed out. And we're gonna put this entire 8 ounce container of Cool Whip right in there. You could do a 0 sugar Cool Whip if you prefer, or a low fat, but I like the extra creamy because it's extra creamy. And then we're gonna fold that into our instant pudding to make a fluffy, like cheesecake mousse. Oh yeah, you heard that right. This is gonna be so decadent. We're just folding our pudding into the Cool Whip so that we don't flatten that Cool Whip. All right, and this looks like it is well combined, so we can come back in with our apple caramel pie concoction, and we're just going to get this whole mixture covering that apple pie. Oh my, it's all the best desserts in one. Apple pie, cheesecake, and Cool Whip.
And caramel.
Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna make sure we get all this out. All right, we got that all nice and emptied, and we're just gonna smooth this out, making sure we cover up all of those apple pie pieces the best we can. We might have some stragglers sticking out like that one right there, but I think this is gonna be so delicious. All right. Now we do need to make this a little bit more festive on top. So I'm gonna start off with a little bit of ground cinnamon, because cinnamon goes so well with apple pie. And we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top. You could also do an apple pie spice or more caramel on top, but I wanted this to be really simple and beautiful. And then last but certainly not least, we're gonna add a fresh apple right on top. Just kidding. We're gonna move this to the side, and we are going to cut our apple with our apple cutter. Beautiful. Now we have these gorgeous apples that we can place on top of our dessert. And I'm just gonna kind of make them into a little spiral. Beautiful. All right, we are gonna pop this in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and then it's gonna be ready to enjoy. This smells so good. Oh, I can't believe I had to wait to dig into this, but it is ready. Oh, all right, let's scoop out. Oh my. Oh, get all of that goodness from there.
I can smell the apples.
This is gonna be so delicious. We have the apple pie. I'm kind of giving it a little mix so that I get everything in there.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh, yeah. And we have a crunchy pie crust in there. It's probably a little soggy now, but it's gonna be delicious.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. It almost needs more caramel in it. Am I crazy?
No, I love caramel.